Winter session of the Telangana Assembly began today, and it began in fact with the thawing of some kind of a cold war that's been blowing between the Chief Minister Revanth Reddy and opposition leader Mr. K. Chandrasekhar Rao. Rather, I should say they have been blowing hot at each other, and right now today was a moment when the picture of the day was really about Revanth Reddy. Even before the session began, he walked across to where KCR was already seated inside the assembly, and he went and shook hands with him, and we are told he inquired about his health and what he's doing like in the last few days. There were reports that KCR had not been doing too well. Of course, in the past few days and weeks, there have been jibes at KCR's health as well, and each of them has been nasty to each other. But yes, right now it is the Telangana Assembly session, and they are before they went into their break, this kind of a thawing of the relations. Yes, in this particular session, we are expecting it is going to be a stormy session, because not only is there a lot of legislative action packed with three very important bills. One is about the GHMC, the merger of 27 municipalities into a huge Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation that will be having almost double the number of wards at 300. There is also going to be another very important bill about the Telangana gig workers, a regulatory framework which is expected to be a landmark bill that could be a kind of showing the way for the rest of the country as well. And the third is about creating a third electricity body here. And of course, there's going to be a lot of political exchanges, because Revanth Reddy had challenged KCR for a battle inside the assembly. We will continue to track all that.